Yeah.
Right, well, you did.
Jackass.
There's 3 lights up there, Simmy, have a look. Wait on, look at them houses up there, Simmy. Look at those houses up there, 3 lights. We're going to get it. Yeah. This recommends, this byway recommends spectators must be 25 metres away.
Oh, we got one! Where the I didn't see it, but...
It's
Is it one thing connecting
another
it, is it?
mad experiment. Gummo's slobbering at mouth there. Oh, no. Slobbering at the mouth there.
Gummo's the architect.
Gummo's got loads of slobbering at the mouth.
Anyway, let's go find some beer in my house.
Oh yeah, I'll do 2 for a try on man.
Yeah, see what you mean.
No, just keep it.
No, that's how he has to do
There's
it.
enough sellotape. There's enough sellotape. We don't
No,
need
that's
any
what you
more.
have to do, Winnie. Winnie, you have to do that, what you're doing. Otherwise it won't work. I'm the fucking engineer, eh?
Look, Simmy. Saddam Hussein, I've shit him.
Yeah, that's 2. Get that third one.
Get them all, get them all.
That third and reach.
Make sure they all go off together.
Oh, they are now.
Come on.
Off it, innit?
They will do. That's got to be wrapped around right.
Oh, catch. Back time that one. Like that one first rate, Gumps.
Just see if it fits in here.
And it should like the rest of it. No, that's sloppy. I can go and get some 22mm copper. Here, I'll go and get some 22mm copper tube. Copper tube.
Right, let's do it.
Where am I filming from?
No, that's not Alan.
I'm filming from that shed
Can't
again.
be tight.
Got a bit of shelter here in this...
Hold it.
No, I think you should get it in Ellen Road.
Hey, I'm not standing here if it's going off there.
Put it through this, put it
Into
through
this
that.
soil.
No,
No.
put it through there so it
Put it
goes.
through there so
Aim
it
through
holds
there.
it.
I'll tell you what, I'm going back in the house then if it's going off there.
It needs to be in Ellen Road. It doesn't need to be in Ellen Road. It does.
There's Ellen Road again. It's Ellen Road
It needs to be
again.
in fucking Ellen Road.
Oh look, Ellen Road. Where the fuck are the nets?
Well, you're giving some fucking portion of. Right then. Yeah. Here we go.
Make sure they all like.
Jumps. Here we go. There you go. Oh, Winnie! Fucking turn your cock. Right.
It ain't going out like that.
Get inside! Oh, is that all of it? Is that all?
Never go back to
That was shit that just went by itself.
It'll just fuck off in whatever direction it's coming down at.
Here, wait
Oh
on, innit?
my god,
With
that's
it.
from the fucking video that.
Go on, Gummo. Like main pyrotechnic.
You look like that guy who's burnt on
Come on, stick it up your ass.
cricket field.
Ooh, that's ending nasty.
Did it? It's a smash.
That was a big bang, that last one. It was beauty. Get it all, Simmy.
You can't see where it's going.
Booyaka!
That's one eye.